Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Divi image reveal module. And here you can see this is my dumb website. Let me go to dashboard. Just add /wp-admin and let me upload plugin file. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. And here you can see this is the plugin that I am uploading, Divi SuperMe Pro. You can get this plugin from Divi official website elegantthemes.com, and you will be able to use multiple Divi modules. Here you can see these are some modules: Divi gradient text, flipbox, text divider, SuperMe image, and these are 60 plus modules that you can use and create your own website in a professional design. So let's wait few seconds for plugin installation. Alright, plugin is installed. Let's activate. And here you can see we got notification. Make sure that you also have installed this light version of SuperMe modules. Let's go back to the pages and view this page. Here you can see edit with Divi. We can enable Divi Fuel Builder from here as like Elementor Pro. And also you can enable Divi Fuel Builder from here. Once you have installed Divi theme, you will get this option on the top of every page. Then let's go in the background and add a new section. So let's find plus icon and add a new regular section. Okay, then add an image. So search for image reveal. Here you can see this is the module, and here we can add some text, for example web design service. Then for the image, scroll down and here we can add a different image. Let me delete some columns. Now let's click on three dots, save it, and let's reload the page. Now here you can see this is called image reveal module. Now you can go in the settings and go to design tab. Then you can change overlay color. For example, you want to add black color, then scroll down for the brightness so that looks professional. And you can also see these are some other options. For example, you can change reveal text color as well as typography options, for example reduce text size and add box shadow, then save it. Let's reload the page, and here you can see it's working fine.